It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Monday, May 8th. I'm James Spann. Summer-like weather coming in here through midweek as a big warming trend continues. We're expecting upper 80s by the middle of the week. Next chance of rain looks to be on Friday. Water vapor satellite view this morning. Big upper lows. One over the northeast United States, one over the Southwest U.S. around San Diego, and we're in between all of that with a dry northwest flow aloft. Look at the cool morning. Fort Payne, 43. Cullman, 45. The same for Gadsden. But we warm up nicely today. Low 80s are likely today. Then mid to upper 80s tomorrow and upper 80s for everybody by Wednesday as a summer preview sets in. Around the nation, nice and cool for the eastern third of the country. Up north, frost and freeze warnings in effect for much of Michigan, Ohio, and some of the adjacent states as cold air continues there. Severe weather outlook today and tonight. Risk of severe weather around Denver, some of the adjacent states, but around here, of course, we're dry as could be. Tomorrow, a risk of severe weather in advance of the upper low in the western states over parts of West Texas. Day 3, Wednesday. A risk of severe weather. Parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, some of the adjacent states. And then Thursday, day 4, a risk of severe weather over Arkansas into the Mississippi Delta, but there is no risk defined beyond that for Friday, and that's our next chance of rain. Speaking of rain, rain for the next 7 days, valid through Monday of next week, about 1 inch for the north, 1/2 inch for the south, and almost all of that will be on Friday. Model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, 1 o'clock this afternoon at 500 millibars. There's our twin upper lows, one over the northeast, one south of San Diego over Baja. Begin a beautiful day today, sunny with low 80s. Tomorrow, sunny with mid to upper 80s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 87. And Wednesday, upper 80s are likely, both models at 88 for Birmingham. The unsettled weather stays well to the west. Same thing on Thursday. Upper 80s are likely. Got a surface low over West Oklahoma. But then Friday, we should go wet during the day. Rain will likely move in. Highs go back in the 70s. Looks like the better chance of rain will be Friday afternoon. The surface low is kind of moving over North Alabama. And if that's right, that would mean not much of a risk of severe weather. This is Friday night, just after midnight, 1 a.m. Saturday. The surface low is over to the Carolinas with rain continuing. So for now, it looks like the severe weather threat very limited, if any at all. And rain amounts about 1/2 to 1 inch. Saturday for the weekend, May 13th. Surface low is just east of the Outer Banks. We are in drier air. The sky becomes sunny. The high will be in the 70s. And Sunday, a beautiful day. A cool morning, a warm afternoon. The high Sunday should be at or just over 80. And a week from today, Monday, May 15th. Big upper low north of San Francisco, troughing on the northeast coast. And again, for us, a dry, warm May day. This is the end of the forecast period. Wednesday of next week, May 17th, the northwest flow aloft. A cold front coming in from the north that might kick off a few showers, being pushed down by that surface high over upper Michigan. Check the numbers, and you can see temperatures will be very warm through the middle of this week. We cool down this weekend, and then we warm back up toward the middle and end of next week as we're getting very close to that old hot summertime. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video by 4 o'clock this afternoon. Can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.